Hello everyone, welcome back to Central. I'm Fredia and today I'll be taking you on a walk through the Operations Manager template. This is your ultimate workspace for tracking performances, managing processes, and organizing the business operations. So let's check out the homepage. On the left, you've got the quick access to all the main pages. On the right, you get an instant visibility into your operations. First, the KPI logs view, where you can see your latest performance data at a glance. Below that, you can find the key results and objectives view, which takes progress on the most important goals right from the homepage. Let's move into the Advanced KPI Tracker page. At the top, you can see the instructions section. This is a visual guide that helps you in using the Advanced KPI Tracker by showing you how to add a new KPI and how to add data to the KPIs. Below that is a quick actions section where you have two buttons. This dashboard here on the right is a complete view of your KPIs with real-time charts and data logs. Likewise, let me show you by opening up one of these pages. Here you can see that first you have to add a name to your KPI, then decide a department, check the goal type that could be increase or reduce based on which the progress would depend on. Likewise, you can add the unit format to either percentage or USD or none for the number. You can set a goal value and then you can set an owner. Likewise, you can go down here. You have a button here to add a new log. You can open up this. You can set the actual value and everything will be saved along with the timestamp. And here you can check the progress based on all the input that you save. The system automatically calculates your progress against the targets. And the dashboard here displays three key views. One unique thing that you can notice here is that the KPI values don't have a definite format. Next, we'll check out the OKR Tracker page. At the top, once again, you see a set of instructions which help you to add a new objective, a new key result, a new actual data to a key result, add a target, or add a new project. Below that, you have the quick actions buttons which help you do the same. In the center, you see two views of the OKR, one showing all the active ones and another organized view below it. Here you can open one of these pages to check out all the informations that are preset in this page template, some visual representations as well as the log. Below that, the key results view shows detailed progress on each key result with visual progress bars. Next, the projects database tracks all the projects linked to the specific key results. This connects your day-to-day work to your strategic goals. And finally, your logs database, where every time you update actual numbers or set targets, these are recorded with timestamps. Now let's check out the SOPs and Processes page. This is your central command for managing all standard operating procedures and business processes in a single place. First, as you can see here, we have the process database. This is where you'll document all your business processes. Each process card shows the process name, owner, assigned team members, and linked SOPs. Below that is the SOP database, which is your library of detailed standard operating procedures. Each SOP can be linked to multiple processes, making it easy to see which procedures support which workflows. You'll see the SOP name, owner, team members involved, and all the related processes. As you can see, there is a preset to the template, which can be pretty helpful while you are adding the SOPs. These two databases work together. Your high-level processes link to detailed SOPs where you can click into any process and instantly see all the step-by-step procedures that support it, or view an SOP and see every process it applies to. Now we'll move on to the knowledge base page, which is beautifully simple. This is your centralized repository for all important company info, documentation, and resources. Here is a database where you store everything that your team needs to refer to. Now, we'll move on to the Documents page. This is your hub for managing all critical businesses and legal documents. This page organizes your documents into 5 essential categories, as you can see here. Contracts and agreements. This stores all your vendor contracts, client agreements, partnership deals, and any legal contracts that your business relies on. Likewise, the compliance and filings, which tracks regulatory filings, compliance documents, licenses, permits, and any paperwork required to stay legally compliant. Investor and cap table that manages your fundraising documents, investor agreements, equity distribution, and cap table records. Perfect for startups tracking their funding rounds. Then comes the IP portfolio that documents all your intellectual property, including trademarks, patents, copyrights, and any other proprietary assets your company owns. Finally is the policy library, that is your collection of internal company policies like HR policies, security policies, and operational guidelines. So that's your operations manager template. With it, you have everything you need to keep your operations running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to drop a like and also subscribe to our channel for more Notion templates and tutorials. Thanks for watching.